Hi guys. So I have had hiccups for quite a bit. They really haven't stopped, so I want to show you guys on how to get rid of them. It's something I learned a few years ago, so I feel like I need to share it, and so here we go. So what you do is you pour a cup of water, you need a straw, and then literally all you do is you just plug your ears. Sorry, excuse me. Let's see if I can get this a little straighter. Oops. Sorry, guys. Super simple. Obviously, if you're by yourself, but if you have somebody else, obviously they can maybe plug your ears or whatnot. But this is just a good way of doing it by yourself. So what you do is you plug your ears. And that is how you get rid of hiccups. A lot of people say upside down in the bathtub gets rid of them, but honestly that's been the number one thing that I've done, and it's gotten rid of hiccups every single time. You just really have to make sure you get into your ear, and it has to be both ears. You can't do just one, but literally that's how you get rid of hiccups. Thank you, and I'll see you later.